everyone! Welcome sa ating 9th year anniversary ng Tonyo Sisig.
Thank you for the continued support and for being here to share this special moment with us. Together, let us move forward with determination and compassion, making positive income on our community and beyond.
Always inspiring to witness the remarkable progress and success stories here in our province. And today is no exception as we celebrate the 9th anniversary of Tonyo Sisig.
Hindi namin ma-imagine na from ang business namin sa likod lang ng bahay, nakarating kami for 9 years at ito na si Tonyo Sisig ngayon. So, ang gusto namin, bilang pasasalamat, ibalik sa community kung ano yung ginawa nila sa amin.
Ay nagbabalik ng kanilang biyaya sa pagbuo ng isang foundation na tutulong sa mga anak ng kanyang mga tauhan upang makapagtapos ng kanilang pag-aaral.
At ngayon po, nais kong ibahagi ang aming bagong proyekto, ang Tonyo Sisig Foundation Balik Pasasalamat Scholarship Program.
Tonyo Sisig Foundation is a testament to our commitment to creating a positive impact. It's about more than serving great food. It's about serving people, uplifting lives, and making meaningful contribution to the community we're a part of.
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
Tandaan na ang bawat tagumpay ay pinaghihirapan at pinapalakas ng pagmamahal sa ginagawa. May your business continue to flourish and may your incredible story inspire others to chase their dreams.
And if we hold